If your 2006 GMC Sierra is blowing hot air, don't panic. Most AC failures on this truck come down to 5 common culprits. Over 60% of climate control issues on this generation of GM trucks are caused by faulty blend door actuators. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to find out exactly why your cabin isn't cooling down. Start with these basic checks to rule out simple electrical issues or obvious mechanical failures before buying parts. If you have dual-zone climate control and only one side is hot, your blend door actuator has likely failed. If the compressor clutch isn't engaging, it might be due to a leak or a simple faulty pressure switch. Electrical components are easy DIY fixes, but opening the refrigerant lines requires professional recovery equipment. Most common GMC AC fixes are under $50 if you handle the labor yourself. Before replacing parts, try this simple fuse pull reset to recalibrate your dash actuators. You'll only need basic hand tools and a multimeter to diagnose almost every AC issue on this truck. Remember that AC systems are under high pressure, so prioritize safety whenever you're under the hood. With a little patience, you can get your Sierra's AC blowing ice cold again. Good luck with your repair.